How to spur people on to success. Principle 6, praise the slightest improvement and praise every improvement. Take a moment to reflect on your own life, up to this point. Can you recall a time when a few words of appreciation helped shape the person you've become? People would do practically everything to receive respect and attention, thus praise works much better than criticism. Helping people reach their potential is one of our most powerful and rewarding qualities. When we help people see their actual potential, they are encouraged to change for the better. Even if it's difficult to find something to praise, make an effort to find something. Give compliments frequently. Be specific with the compliments you are giving. When we give particular praise, it comes off as more genuine, rather than something we say merely to make another person feel better. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 4, Be a Leader. Subscribe, like, follow for more.